Morning, one and all present here. Today, I, Arav Sharma, along with my talented classmates of 7th V, are going to conduct this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Today, we are starting our day with a prayer by Utkarsh.
Utkarsh, say your prayer.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Very good.
दुनिया
Next.
Thank you, Utkarsh. It was a great prayer. Now, my friends Love Gupta and Dia will present the thought of the day.
नमस्कार, मैं लव गुप्ता आज आपके समक्ष आज सुविचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। आज का सुविचार है, भारत को कुछ और बनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, भारत को केवल भारत बनने की जरूरत है। यह वही भारत है जिसे कभी सोने की चिड़िया भी कहा जाता था। मैं दोहराता हूँ, भारत को कुछ और बनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, भारत को केवल भारत बनने की जरूरत है। यह वही भारत है जिसे कभी सोने की चिड़िया भी कहा जाता था। धन्यवाद।
Very good.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I, Dia of class 7B, am here to tell you the thought of the day. The thought of the day is the only real prison is fear, and the only real freedom is freedom from fear. I repeat, the only real prison is fear, and the only real freedom is freedom from fear. Thank you and have a nice day.
I thank you both for this beautiful thought and for spreading an aroma of patriotism. Now, Kishle and Dashika are here for their speech.
Good morning. My name is Kishore Tripathi. Friends, imagine a society where you are not a free man. Imagine a society where you are discriminated against and have restrictions in going to cinema, railways, or any public space. Imagine a system where you are ruled by outsiders and have no freedom in the choice of education, profession, and travel. Yes, my friends, this was the same plight an average Indian went through daily before independence. We might have read about the struggles of freedom fighters under British rule and their contribution in bringing freedom to India. But what our generation knows and has read is just the peak of the iceberg. The history that we read just gives a glimpse of the sacrifices and the hardships our ancestors had to go through for approximately 190 years. We were made to suffer poverty, we were made to suffer malnutrition and diseases, cultural upheaval, economic exploitation, political disadvantage, and systematic programs aimed at creating a sense of social and racial inferiority. At the end of 200 years of British rule, the Indian economy was subjected to the problems of low income, unemployment, structure of cottage and small industries, low capital formation, low level of investment, high birth and death rates, and conservative attitudes of Indian people. To rub salt on the bones, the 1947 Indian Independence Act passed by the Parliament of the United Kingdom partitioned British India into two new independent dominions of India and Pakistan. After 3 years, India declared itself a sovereign, democratic, and republic state by adopting its constitution on January 26, 1950, which gave everyone equal status and ensured that there would be no discrimination based on caste, creed, race, color, gender, or language. 15th August 2021 is an important day for our country as it marks the completion of 75 years of independence. Slowly and steadily, we have started to develop our systems, economy, social and political strata. There are equal opportunities opportunities available for the entire social strata. The economy is booming and presenting good opportunity for youth. All this would not have been possible without the innumerable sacrifices made by our forefathers. I thank all the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed themselves for Indian freedom. Jai Hind.
Very good, Krishna.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Ashmika of class 7P, is going to deliver a speech on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav means the festival of completing 75 years of independence of the country. As you know that 15 August 1947 was the historical day when our country got freedom from the rule of Britishers. For this freedom, many brave freedom fighters and leaders had sacrificed themselves. So this year, India is celebrating 75th anniversary of its independence, which is being celebrated as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was started on 12 March 2021 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on completion of 91 years of Dandi March. This Mahotsav will continue till 5 August 2023. The aim of celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is to create a vision for India 2047. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is being celebrated on the basis of 5 pillars, that is, struggle of independence, ideas of 75 years, achievements of 75 years, actions of 75 years, and resolution of 75 years. The pillar of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav are meant to make the younger generation aware of the history and struggle of the independence. Apart from this, through this Mahotsav, the young generation has to be made aware of the achievements, actions, resolutions of the country in 75 years, so that it will inspire them to move forward and to realize the dreams of independent India. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is a tribute to other freedom fighters and freedom movements. Thank you.
Very good, Ashmika. Now, Arav will continue.
Thank you, Krishna and Ashvika. Those were very nice speeches. Now get ready to feast your eyes because Ananya is going to dance.
तेरी सांसों में थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था ये तेरी जमीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे गीतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
That was a splendid dance, Ananya. Now Namish is going to end today's event.
Respected ma'am and my dear friends, good morning and happy Independence Day to you all. I am Namish, student of class 7B. I feel proud to propose this vote of thanks on the behalf of my class and on my own behalf. We are all grateful to all freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the independence of our country. We would like to thank our students for presenting this great program.
We are blessed by Lord to live on a land where legends like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose were born. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you for enjoying Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.